Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market.
If you're considering a bathroom remodel in the near future, you might be very surprised at the amount of high-tech, touch-free appliance options available to choose from, and we don't just mean faucets. Smart toilets have been gaining popularity in recent years, and folks are showing increasing demand for hygiene and sanitation products and growing awareness about water conservation. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of smart toilet bidet on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below.
Number 1.
Certified by UL, CUP, EGS and IAPMO, it is quality warranted and safe to use. No more toilet paper, but with warm and gentle bubble wash, posterior, feminine and moving, cleaner and more cost-effective. Self-cleaning arc-shaped nozzle. Stainless steel is more durable, with self-cleaning the nozzle is more hygienic. Unique arc nozzle provides oscillate spray, which is healthier than straight ones. Wireless remote control. Without turning around, you can control all the functions with a remote in hand. Adjustable warm water, 6 level, water pressure, 5 level, nozzle position, 5 level, seat heating, 6 level, and warm air dryer, 6 level. LED night light and deodorization. Auto LED nightlight offers easy toilet with warm light in nighttime, no straining eye. Advanced air filter deodorizer removes smell in minute after using the toilet. Toilet adaptability check. This bidet size is 20.35 x 17.60 x 4.40 inches, which fits most elongated toilets, but the exact available toilet shape and size with complete installation kit, it can be easily installed by yourself.
Number 2. Number 3.
LEIVI B01 is a user-friendly electric bidet toilet seat that is designed to give you high-quality features. This elongated bidet provides a hygienic bathroom experiences with its instant and continuous warm water, adjustable nozzle spraying, warm air dryer, heated seat, arc nozzle bar, concave widened seat, capacitive sensor seat, LED nightlight. Enjoyable home spa, provides a gentle, refreshing clean for the entire family, with the added benefit of enhanced usability at night and a deodorizer that keeps your bathroom fresh. Your bum deserves some self-care too. The self-cleaning bidet nozzle sanitizes between uses, and a soft closing seat means no more loud and abrupt slamming. Dual control mode, waterproof remote control facilitates pregnant or elderly people who are not so convenient to move around, and side control panel for both genders convenient operation. Indicator lights embedded for different water temperature, seat temperature, drying temperature. With a stylish design and weighted feel, the wireless remote can be wall-mounted or used in hand.
Number 4.
Treat yourself to the ultimate bathroom upgrade with the Bliss BB 2000 Bidet with dryer, available for round and elongated toilets. A soothing blue nightlight will guide you in the dark. Sit down to a comfortable heated seat with adjustable temperature controls. The slow close lid and powerful deodorizer add to the tranquility of your retreat. Customize the water temperature, water pressure, and nozzle position with the wireless remote. Enjoy the ambient water temperature. Personalize your wash for women, for men, gentle child wash, high pressure vortex wash or exclusive hydro flush. The gentle massage feature is great for soothing postpartum care and hemorrhoid treatment. Front and back cleansing are possible with the auto-retracting, self-cleaning, stainless steel 3-in-1 nozzle. Follow cleansing with a comforting warm air dry.
Number 5.
BidetMate provides a gentle, refreshing clean for the entire family. Choose from customizable aerated, pulse, feminine, power wash, massage, and child wash functions. Adjustable, easy-to-use settings for heated seat, water, and dryer. Charcoal honeycomb air deodorizer eliminates SO2 gases and neutralizes unpleasant smells. Eco-friendly and money-saving. Save trees and money by reducing the need for toilet paper. Eliminating TP helps take care of the environment and your personal plumbing, while the energy savings mode ensures electricity is never wasted. BidetMate donates a portion of sales to environmental causes that promote a cleaner earth. Everyday luxury. Your bum deserves some self-care too. The stainless steel self-cleaning bidet nozzle sanitizes between uses, and a soft closing seat means no more loud and abrupt slamming. Health benefits and hygiene. A smart bidet has the power to clean things toilet paper just can't. The soothing cleanse is life-changing for those that suffer from symptoms associated with chronic UTIs, fissures, hemorrhoids, and IBS. Plus, there will be no more chafing from the harsh drying effects of toilet paper.